Want to reset ESPN Fantasy Football scoring? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, launch open the ESPN Fantasy app and log into your league. Now you want to tap on the football option over here. Go ahead and find your league and then tap on the My Team option. Now, tap on Leagues tab. Here, find the option of League Manager Tools and select that. Now you want to look for scoring settings, select that. From here you can modify the scoring system for your league, whether you want to adjust points for touchdown, yards or other stat categories. If you want to reset default settings, you want to look for the reset option over here. Go ahead and tap on reset to default and now tap on yes, reset to default. Once you do that, fantasy football scoring will be reset. Now tap on the save option. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.